Hello, in our next tutorial we will show you how to edit a variable product on your website. Upon logging in and being greeted with your dashboard, we will use our mouse cursor to highlight the products, and we will simply select all products. From here, we can either search through the list for our product, or we can use the search bar. In this case, I will be using the search bar to locate the product titled the Rio chair. We will now search for the product, and as you can see, it has brought up a whole bunch of products. Here we can see that these first ones are drafts, and here we can see we have located the Silhouette Rio chair. By hovering over it, we have our additional options, and we'll simply select Edit. Next, we will allow the page to load fully before we continue. As you can see, the page is loaded, and for the time being I will open the product's front end in a new tab. Right, so we will scroll down and we have come to the product title. Here we can change it to whichever we wish. Please note that if we change this product title, we will need to copy this, and we will need to paste it and replace the permalink that we currently have. Please note that this is only necessary when we change the actual product title. Next, we will come down to our product long description. As you can see here, this is our long description. By going to the front end, you can see that we do not currently have a description displayed here, but we do have one below the product. This is where the long description will go. Here we are able to change and add to whichever we wish. Scrolling down, we have come to our product data. As you can see, this is currently set to a variable product. Variable products are any products that have additional options. In this case, it is a product that has additional colors, where we can choose a grey chair, or we can choose a whitewash chair. Please note that variables can include many options, including sizing, shape, amounts, and so forth. Moving on, we are at the product data, and as you can see, we have defaulted to the inventory tab. Here we have entered our SKU unit or our stock keeping unit. We also have the option to change managing stock, change our stock quantity, allow back orders, and our low stock threshold. Moving on to our shipping, here we can see the weight of the product, and we are able to add dimensions as well as add a shipping class. Our linked products we can ignore for the time being, and our attributes we will set here. As you can see, we currently have two variables, or attributes rather, set for this product. We have our colors, which if we select opens up, and we have the option of a grey color or a whitewash color. We can simply select add new, and a new window will appear. Here we can add a new color. For this example, we will add the color blue. It will ask us to confirm, and we will accept. As you can see, we already have the color blue in here, and we can choose it from the drop-down option. But we are able to add new colors that are not already included in here. Next, we can also choose the material. As you can see, we only have one variable set as rattan. Therefore, all the products will be defaultly set to this material. I can close these. And as you can see, the material has also been set to not be used for the variations. Closing these, we will save our attributes as we have added the blue color in. Once this is saved, we will move on to our variation tab. And as you can see, these are drop-down options. We have a drop-down for grey, and we have a drop-down for whitewash. Here we are able to add a new variation by simply selecting Go, and a new drop-down will be added. Here we will choose a color we wish, and we are able to choose the blue that we have just added. By selecting one of these colors, the window will expand. Here we are able to enter SKU for this variation, a regular price, which we could add at 1,000 Rand, and we can put it on sale for 500. Moving on, we can change our stock status, and insert our weight and dimensions for this variation. Next, we can change the shipping class, and we are able to add a description that appears when this variation is selected. My apologies. For the time being, I will simply remove this. By hovering over the bar, we have the option to remove. It will ask us to confirm, and we will select OK. As you can see, it has removed the blue, and we are left with only the whitewash and the grey. Again, we can expand these windows by selecting them, and as you can see, we can enter the SKU, the regular price, we can put the product on sale if we wish, change the stock quantity, allow back orders, change the weight, and so forth. The same can be done for the grey. Once we are happy, we will simply minimize the windows, and we will select Save Changes. As you can see, it is not allowing me to save changes, as no changes was actually made. Scrolling down, we have come to our short product description. As you can see, there is nothing in here, and this product description is the one that will appear on the side of the product. Moving on, we will tackle the column on the right hand side. Here we can change the status of the post, the visibility, the published date, and so forth. Moving on to our product categories, we can choose the category that suits this product, as well as select multiple categories if needed. We're also able to add new categories by simply inserting the category title and choosing whether it should have a parent category, whether it should have a drop-down or not. Scrolling down, we have come to our product tags. As you can see, we already have our tags inserted, and these are very important as it will help Google index this product within its search results. As you can see, we have chair, dining, kubu, rattan, silhouette, whitewashed, and wood, and we will simply add the name of the company. And select Add. We will then scroll down, and our link suggestions we can ignore. Next, we have come to our product image, and selecting the image, a new window will appear. Here we are able to choose a new image to upload, or we can choose upload files, and we can actually upload a new image from our computer. For the time being, I shall select the default image, and we will insert that image. Scrolling down, you can see we have a product gallery with a few shots of the item. We can simply add to this by selecting the Add to Gallery items, and we can select all the images we wish. Please note you can hold down Shift to select multiple images. If you have selected the wrong one, you can simply select the minus icon and they will be deselected. We will insert these two, and as you can see, they have been added there, but they are incorrect. We'll simply select the delete image to remove them. Scrolling down, we have come to our Rank Math SEO, or search engine optimization. As you can see, this is very important, as this is what Google will use to index these products within the search results. First, we are needing to insert a focus keyword. I would suggest that we grab the title of the product, and we insert it here. We will hit enter, and we will continue to insert a maximum of 5 focus keywords. As you can see, I've inserted the keywords and our score has raised. You can see that our silhouette rear chair is our strongest keyword as it is displayed in orange. By selecting it, all the titles below will show us how to increase our keyword strength. As you can see here, we do not have our keyword in the meta description. We will fix this by simply selecting Edit Snippet, and in our description, we will paste the title, or in this case, the focus keyword that we are using. Please note that the description we insert here is the description that will be shown in Google, so it is important to get this done nicely. We will continue to add more of our focus keywords, but we will do it in a way that it still is readable and makes sense. As you can see, I've done a basic description, and our score has increased. We have gone up to 59%. We will continue to go through all the points until we get the best SEO strength. Once we are happy, we'll scroll up to the top of the page, and we will double check all our settings. We have done our title, we have inserted our long description, We have gone through our product data, which includes our inventory, shipping, our attributes, our variables, our advanced, which we can ignore, as well as our get more options. We have inserted a short description. We have done our SEO, scrolling to the top. We have sorted out our published visibility and date. We have got our category set up. We have inserted our tags. We have inserted our product image, and we have inserted our gallery. Lastly, we will scroll to the top of the page, and we will simply select Update. That is how you would edit a variable product on your website.